Hello. At these 8 days we have 2 workshops. And the first workshop is for photos. It can be big and small. It's my work. It's not so good because I hurt my leg when we are playing football. Cactus. It will be green.
It's very cool work. I'm very proud of it, and as you can see, it's made from newspapers and carton. It's recycling and it's very good.
Hello, this is Забивной Данил, and I love this cactus. This heart in paper, and I love it.
Hello, my name is Igor, and it is my handmade. It is a frame for the picture. I did it from the magazine and a part of carton.
Hello, my name is Prokhor. It's the best picture. On that picture you see old man who shows the young woman.
It's a cactus, its name Crazy One.
We made it of the bottle which we found in the trash.
And this flower.
My name is Andrew and it's my picture. It have 16 round paper and 2 curved paper. I did it 2 lessons and I think it's great. It's my cactus. I did it 1 lesson. It's green and red. It wasn't very hard, but it was great. I love it.
Hello, my name is Ilya, and today we made a frame on this picture. It's a cactus, and her name is Denise.